Hey, 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 I'm Angie Rose with Angie Rose Health Coaching, and I'm here today for your Tuesday tip of the day. So this week we've been talking just a little bit as of yesterday about my new ebook called Back Pocket Workouts for vacation, or even it's just really if you need something quick to pull together, 10-minute, 20-minute, 30-minute. I will make sure we get the link in the description above so you can check that out if this interests you. It's free, cost you nothing besides the time to put in the information, right? All right, well, yesterday we talked about how we need to be changing up our workouts and what it does for us when we do that. And I told you about something called unilateral training. Most of you may not know what this is, and really that's a big fancy term for using only one side of your body. That's it. Instead of always doing two weights, doing one weight, right? So we're going to talk about that this week. Now, when we do unilateral training, it does several things for us because it kind of shocks the brain and it shocks the body, and it makes it have to work just a little bit harder to be able to stabilize the weight or the movement that we're doing, right? So here's three of the things that it does. Number one, it makes you stronger, okay? Part of this is because most of us have a dominant side or a dominant hand. I'm right-handed. So a lot of times I can do this side of my body much easier than I can do the left side. But our goal is to balance them out. So when I am doing a one-handed press, bicep curl, kick back, any of those kinds of things, it makes my body on the left side have to stabilize, work harder, but it's going to help equal it out. That's always the goal. The second thing that you get from is great for your core. Because guess what? When we're stabilizing our body by only using one side, it kicks in your core automatically, and it's going to make it work a little bit harder. Okay, so I don't know if you've ever seen any workouts or you've done any workouts that you have had to do unilateral training on only one side at a time, not only one side for the day, one side at a time. I would love to hear your thoughts about it in the comments below. As we continue through the week, tomorrow I'm going to talk about a couple other benefits of it, and Thursday and Friday I'm going to actually show you some videos of me doing a few workout moves and doing it only on one side. So keep in tune this week for those fun things that are coming up, and I hope to show you something new and show you something different. Have an amazing rest of your day. We'll see you tomorrow for your Wednesday tip of the day.